expensive? They ask. Logos are expensive because 1. Identity. Logos are unique identifier. A logo is not just any image, but a symbol or mark that represents the value of a brand. 2. Lifespan or purpose. Most designs have short-term purpose. A logo has long-term purpose. A logo can last as long as the brand demands it. Example, Juventus is just changing their logo for the first time in 100 years. 3. Usability. Design a logo once and use it as many times as possible on as many placements as possible. Every good brand that wants to strive deserves a logo, and the cost is worth it. Thank you.